Ready to test your luck? Pick one dish, but choose wrong and you lose. Let's begin. Pick your croissant. Pick your pizza. Pick your donut. Be careful. Pick your cookies. Pick your sushi. Pick your burger. Pick your fries. Pick your milkshake. That combo could be amazing or a total fail. Pick your birthday cake. Pick your waffles. Only 1% of people get all good dishes till end. Are you one of them? Let's see. Pick your chocolate. Wait. Oh no. Pickles? Pick your popcorn. Who's still lucky? Pick your tacos. Pick your sandwich. Any regrets yet? Pick your salad. Pick your fruits. Pick your fruit salad. Pick your cereal. Healthy or risky? Pick your coffee. Pick your pasta. Pick your noodles. Watch out, there's a trick. Pick your soup. Pick your omelet. Did you fall for it? Pick your cupcakes. Pick your brownie. Pick your cheesecake. Pick your tiramisu. Lucky or not? Final rounds. Don't mess this up. Pick your hot dog. Pick your onion rings. Pick your nuggets. Pick your skewers. Pick your grilled cheese. Pick your Hawaiian pizza. Risky choice. Pick your lasagna. Pick your pie. Pick your chocolate mousse. Pick your candy. Pick your smoothie. Comment your score below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the next challenge.